Hello everyone and welcome to this video guide. I will share with you how to open Bank of Ireland saving accounts. So go to Google, search for Bank of Ireland. This is the keyword as you can see here. Go to products, this option, and then go to saving accounts. After that, you will see different option here. Click this one from this case for the saving account super savers. This type of account you want to open, just select any one. And then just wait to see all features and benefits, and then you can open. If you want to apply, click apply now and then click proceed. This is the option. From here you have confirm. You should be confirm your identity and then enter your application details and then upload your documents. Choose do you use 365 online and then click join to also apply. Click next. From here write your mobile phone number. After that, enter your all details of your application. If you want a PDF, you can apply a form PDF from here and application, so form PDF, and then select your form. So friends, after that, click submit. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video.